There you go.
Oh, there she goes.
There she runs.
All right. Whoops. There's a doggy door, but little Tula is 3 months old,
Yeah.
and she can't go outside yet for various reasons. So anyway, that's her bed. And she was so cute. She tried jumping onto the couch, and all she did was make one little jump in front of it.
And fell on her butt.
No, she actually ended up right. Anyway, there she is.
Yeah, she's cute. She's pretty special, huh, Cookie? Yeah, you're my girl too. Huh? Who loves you?
You can see how tiny she is at 3 pounds.
Love you. Mama love you. Oh my God.
People, yeah, my friends and their dogs and their talents.
Come here. Give Mama a hug. Give Mama a hug. Is that a good hug? Tula, you missed the whole pad. I gotta